G'day everyone, I thought I'd do a bit of a rambly check-in. There's something I want to talk about specifically, which it feels pretty monumental that I want to update you on. I'll do that in a moment. I just wanted to start by showing you my finger skateboard park progress. This is so fun and very dumb, and I love it. I love being a child every day for work. Where's my skateboard? Here it is. So this was a pretty quick custom job. Did my little custom deck, and I'm making this fully functional for finger skating for a video, and then everyone's going to be graffitiing that. It's going to be very, very fun. Side note, you're still able to get the Customize It kit in time for Christmas if you order now, but they're nearly sold out of those first 500. But we don't want you to feel like you're getting the raw deal if you miss that first 500. First and foremost, go to the website, get it now if you want it before Christmas, because otherwise you'll miss out on that chance. But because I don't want you to miss out, we're gonna do free shipping for anyone who misses that first 500 batch. Free shipping, just free shipping until the end of the year. So that's pretty massive savings on already massive savings, and it's an awesome gift for yourself or a loved one. So what do I want to talk about specifically? Once I get in there, I had a excuse me, a meeting last minute cancel, which means I have a brief bit of time, and I wanted to vlog just a short check-in first of all, because I miss you guys and I want to be more regular, but we'll get onto that next year, mainly when we recalibrate. Excuse me. What I wanted to update you on is there's been this journey that I've been going on for the last 4 to 5 months in particular, that I'm really excited about where we're heading. Specifically, I think it really dawned on me when I went on my month away to the UK. Every time I go away, the question hits me of like, how can I ensure that the place that people are working, if I'm not there, is a place people know why they're going there or what they're doing things for? Because I know I enter this place with a huge amount of energy and a huge amount of just excitement and drive and vision and clarity. Even though it's very messy clarity, I know I want to do everything. So I just tell people how to do that with me, and we do everything. And I'm very motivated and very, I have lots of clear whys for me. And it's become clear to me that I need this organization that I run to have a clear why for everyone here, so that sometimes if I'm not here, or if they just need to connect personally with what they're doing, and it doesn't have to be directly related to me, it can just be related to them and their work, they can have that. So it's been my project to try and identify and create the why for QPI Media, for Jazza Studios, and then obviously Tabletop Time and any subsidiaries. And that's been the project, and it's been one that I've sort of involved the team in, and been sort of giving them little creative surveys, like, why are you creative and what inspires you and all of that. And then more recently, asking specific questions about what they see as the what QPI Media produces, Jazza Studios produces, what the world would be missing without us, all of this stuff, to sort of develop the language that my wife Kate and I, who's my business partner, can use to create a sort of a mission statement or a purpose statement for the company. Now, my wife has sort of been through these meetings many times, so she knows what it's like when it's done wrong, and she has seen only examples of it being done badly. So we sort of approach this with a deal of sort of like carefulness to make sure to keep people involved, for it to be intentional and inclusive, and to go somewhere, not just to be a pointless exercise of corporate jargon generation. So it's been a slow process and one in the background, and not something that we sort of put on the forefront of any content really, except for Patreon behind the scenes. There's been sort of bringing that in as well over on my main channel Patreon, which I link to in the descriptions of these vlogs, by the way. We actually so this recent sort of exciting bit of progress I'm sharing with you was actually shared quite fully. Just turned off my light. In next week's Patreon behind the scenes. So please, if you want to see actually the meeting and some of that stuff and a bit more of the personal, like the executive coaching stuff I've been getting and a bit more of that stuff, feel free to support us on Patreon. It directly supports the studio, and we do a weekly behind the scenes. But we had a company meeting where we revealed the mission statement or the purpose statement of this organization, QPI Media. And I'm really excited about it. And I was so nervous sharing it with everyone that I didn't even stop to sort of like ask what people think, because I'm worried that people won't like it. You know what I mean? Like when you care about something and then, so I sort of steamrolled through it a little bit, and I think it'll just be one of those things that we instill over time in the workplace. But I'm really proud of actually how it connects, how we've connected our phrase to everyone's individual creative purposes and motivations, as well as what they have helped identify as QPI Media's creative purposes and motivations. So here it is. You ready? The dramatic reveal. We, QPI Media, create inspiring things, inspire creative people. I know I think especially without any context as to how sort of we got there, it's just like another phrase. But I love it, especially because, first of all, everyone's statements had the same contents. There were three things. There was creativity, inspiration, and connection were everywhere in everyone's statements. And so we knew we needed something that encapsulated those three things. And then there was also sort of two flows. There was the people individually or in this organization create things to inspire. It might be inspiring themselves, and ask yourself as a creative person, do you make things to inspire other people or to feel inspired, to feel empowered? Because it's usually one or both of those things. So we individually and as an organization create inspiring things. Things is very specifically things, because it's not videos. Like videos is one of our things, but products is one of our things. The Ultimate Creativity Collection, the Pro Sketch Pack, everything with the Customize It kit. Like we create inspiring things. We inspire creative people. And I just love that, because then it's like that is our connection. We connect to people who have that same want and yearning and drive and passion and anyways, I'm just very excited about that. We came up with a phrase and I want to shout it off the rooftops, especially because it's this, really, like when you think about it, like why do I have this longing? Like since we've had that meeting, it's just been like 2 days and I'm like, I really want to vlog about this. I want to, update you guys on this, because I feel like now a huge part of what I do here is I'm creating the organization. Like, I actually did a breakdown of how I spend my time. I spend just over 50% of my time in videos. That's less than it used to be. I spend about 25% of my time in meetings. I don't know how to feel about that, but when you think about it, that is all about creating structure, creating processes, creating action pathways, facilitating other people to be able to build this. So really the creative thing that I'm making to try and be inspirational at the moment is QPI Media, is this organization. This is now my biggest creative project. And I am creating this to be an inspiring thing for you all, but also to be something that inspires everyone here as we work together to create awesome, inspiring stuff. And then as a result of that, hopefully, we inspire creative people. That is our purpose. We are creative people. We want to be inspired, but really we want to make stuff to inspire creative people. And that is so fulfilling as a creative person when you create inspiring things. And if you happen to inspire creative people, you've completed this loop that feels so fulfilling and just builds positivity upon positivity. I've done this for over 10 years and it just does not get old. Connecting with people who find their passion in creativity. And it's addictive, and that's why I keep trying to do more, and that's why, that's why I love what I do. So thank you for supporting what we do by watching the videos or Patreon or whatever it is. And for listening to me ramble excitedly for 10 minutes about, it feels weird to get so excited about something that I guess is traditionally considered quite a corporate thing. I don't know, but this is my creative project, building a company. And I believe that that can be creative. And I believe that that can be really inspiring and empowering because it creates an atmosphere that wonderful people can be wonderfully creative and create even more wonderful things. So that's me blurbing and blabbing and sharing it with you. I am probably now behind, so I should get back to my schedule. It's probably meetings. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to go have a nice weekend with the family. We're going to go see Wonka. Have a good one.